How you doing today?
Okay.
How long we been friends now?
Yeah.
We've been friends a long time.
Yeah, right.
You right?
Yeah, you my
And-
girlfriend, right?
I'm your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. You still want me to be your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I like you.
Because you like me? Why you like me so much?
Because you look so nice.
Because I look nice only?
And,
You don't,
and you're beautiful.
but you don't think I have a good heart? I always feed
And you
you.
got good heart.
Every time I see you, I give you
got
my
good
good heart. I have good heart.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
got good heart.
Yeah, so I always try to give you something every time I see you because you're my friend and I do love you.
Okay.
You're looking clean today. You look nice. You take shower.
Yeah.
You're looking good.
No.
Yeah, you're looking good today, man. That's why you want me
Yeah.
to be your boyfriend, girlfriend now?
Yeah,
You're
right.
hugging me up today?
Yeah.
I love you. You know
I
that.
love you too.
I just coming from the market now.
Okay.
So I don't have much. I could give you that for now. Okay? Because sometimes I give 5, 6 or more. I give $2 today.
Okay.
Because I'm just coming back from the market. I love you. Have a God day and God bless you. And God be with you. That's my friend, people.
I love you.
Yeah, I love
Give
you
me
too.
a kiss.
Give you a kiss?
Yeah.
You want me to give him a kiss?
Yes, give me a kiss.
God bless you and I love you. And I always come out here sell my jewelry. And when I make a little money, I give my friend a little something every day. God
Huh?
bless you.
You like my hair?
Yeah, you washed it. It's pretty clean. Even this is clean too.
Yeah.
God bless
You
you.
like it?
Yes, I like it. First thing I noticed how clean it was. You know, I was thinking I didn't have no money, but I said when I get rich, I want to get some money and fix you up. But thank God somebody helped you and you look much cleaner. Thank you. God bless you.
Okay, I'll see you.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, I didn't want to wreck your podcast. I just want to be, you guys are both such beautiful people that I wanted to tell you.
Okay,
like,
thank you. Hi.
yes.
How are
hey,
you?
How are you?
How are you?
I am great. No, at first I just saw the hair and I was like, that woman is so beautiful. I need to stop and tell her. And then I saw your presence and the whole thing you're doing and I was like,
God bless
right
you.
on. You know.
Thank you so much. I love you too.
Thank you.
You see, the color doesn't make anything. It's the love that we have.
Yes.
That's what's going to make a difference. And you need to tell Donald Trump that. Thank you.
Like Donald Trump will listen, please. Like Donald Trump cares, okay, about anybody but himself.
That's what I think, okay?
That's what I think, straight up.
I love you. Mwah. Nice to meet
Thank you. It's so good to
God
meet
bless
you
you.
too.
Yes.
Thank you. And you too.
Yes. And